It's not enough. Few solid niggas left, but it's not enough.
Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to make this cool X-position transition effect in After Effects. I don't know how to call that effect, and if you have any idea, write in the comments and I will drop more of this position and rotation transitions very soon. Let's begin. I will scroll forward something like that and then press P on the keyboard to expand position. Then let's click on position stopwatch icon to create a keyframe. Then I will scroll forward something like this and move my video all the way to the right side. And now let's select both keyframes and press F9 on your keyboard to ease them. Then go to Graph Editor, right-click there and select Edit Speed Graph. Now make a smooth curve like mine and then we can check the effect. Nice, first step is done. Now let's apply motion tile effect on that clip. Check mirror edges and then change output width to 400. That way we have switched the side of our clip, or we made a mirror-like effect. Looks cool, but it misses motion blur. Make sure to enable motion blur on that layer. And now it looks way better and smoother. In case if your blurriness is not enough, or it's too much, we can always increase it or decrease. Go to Composition and click on Composition Settings. Go to Advanced tab and bump up Shutter Angle if you really need the maximum of a motion blur. Let's check it again. That's way smoother and looks even better. X-position transition is done. Let's add some shakes now. I will skip shakes part because I have made too much shake tutorials. Also I have made 16 unique shake presets that you can get from the link in description. Check how it looks like with my shake presets. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and like the video please.